want to introduce a Khasi language, which I will explain in English also. I don't know the equivalent in English what it is. There is a Khasi language called Lawai.
Ulama ikan Umsning Dr. Celestin Lengdo ula penenkam deketin kasi lakwai ban penpau kajing yaro ika sokar katbau dang simenta hakajing yata ya hal kajing kran ulat kajela hakadobal matengkam takasngi haba simenta hani kajing yata Dr. Celestin loong ba hakadobat senlai hawa aja apulai haba udang syong hakaling persya ula kop yak sokar hal ki kampendroi hariboy hakabau loong baka riboy kadonkam ika belan football artificial turf henlei lada kasoka kam ai ha umsning ru kadai ban ai ha nongpo kanai ka gaji atang hapo lai benai ha kablabu yo mau nongrim u doktor Celestino ong ba kadon du kakten kasi lawai ke baju penpau bala don kanu kanu ke babha laju ong lawai bala don kanu kanu basniru laju don ba ong lawai ula benrap ba hau no pra aja pusan katbau dang don hasikim wa yo pediang ya ka phun ko na unong kesian jong u ba uklam yo iya u ha gram babu manong rim ya kamaran football artificial turf hanong po bat kumju ya ka school ikalip ya model residential school ba pri dong tiang ba ka jela bat hangta hiula ong la wai habayaro ya sokal dr Celestin ong ba ha ka po bo aida wai ajuan gibreu na ka thaj mo hati na nong po bat haba ukli ya gibawan sim dawai sipang kasuro ki ong ba kasuro ka bha na sonidan syadu umsning wala ong ba mensua kinong syong kali kira ong ya kinong nya bakin nya kamsted ban kampoi kamkloi nama bas new ka surok hanrai menta kalong kumpan da kongpong hakaba kinong syong kali ki phaya suki ya driver nama ba baha plat ka surok.
I want to introduce a Khasi language, which I will explain in English also. I don't know the equivalent in English what it is. There is a Khasi language called Lawai. Lawai can be used in a situation where you don't expect the outcome. If it is a good outcome, we say Lawai. If it is a bad outcome also, we say Lawai. I'll give you an example. If people on the street would have watched the live telecast of the assembly today, they will be saying, Lawai, balik hala kate. Gosh in English. I don't know if it's correct or not. Why were they shouting so much? Or if somebody jumped from the first floor to the ground without injuries and landing perfectly, we say, Lawai, kumna ulakan kiti kumtay. Gosh, how can he jump from the first floor without injuries? Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, in December last year, I was touring in Sikkim as a member of the PSC. I received a call from my supporters. They said, we didn't see you in the program today with the Chief Minister. Then I told them, I am touring as a member of the PSC committee in Sikkim. Then I said, why you call? No, today foundation stone was laid for a synthetic track and field stadium in Nongpo. Also, the Eklavia School was inaugurated by the Chief Minister. I believe the Sports Minister was also there. While receiving that call, I also said, Lawai. Why I said that? I supported MLA of Nongpo for one artificial turf football field. He got two. So I said, Lawai. Now I am looking around for friends who will say, give to Umsning also. I hope I'll get one or two who will say that. Lawai. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, when we talk about roads, it will not be wrong if I tell the House that during my free time, even these days, I still practice medicine as a doctor. So I get patients from Mauhati area, from Nongpo area. I used to ask them, how did you come? They used to tell me, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Now the road is very good. Earlier we used to tell the driver in Khasi, we say, Kamstet seba, yom lap doctor shibit. Mean drive faster. We might miss the timing of the doctor. The driver never drives fast because the road was bad. Same people now, they say we have to tell the driver, don't drive too fast. Because why? The road from Sonidan up to Umsning was so good that the driver drives so fast that the passengers are scared. So I ask from these people because these are the people who speak neither for the government nor against the government. They give their opinion purely on their personal experience.